In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create your e-signature on Zoho Sign. E-signatures are an efficient way to sign documents without the hassle of printing and scanning, and knowing how to set them up digitally can save you a lot of time. So, let's get started. First, head over to the Zoho Sign website. We'll begin this journey by navigating to their dashboard. Once you're there, you'll see a variety of options, but for now, we want to head straight to Settings. This is where we can get down to the nuts and bolts of personalizing your e-signature. Once you're in the Settings menu, you'll need to head over to My Profile. This is where you can manage all your personal customization options, including your e-signature. It's a straightforward process, but taking a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout can save some time later. You'll notice an Edit button in your profile settings. Click on it and you'll see a few options for creating your e-signature. It's a simple step, yet crucial because it unlocks the door to personalizing your signature just the way you like it. Now you'll need to focus on the Type option first. This is where you can type out your name, which can then be turned into an e-signature using various fonts. It provides a quick and neat way to get an e-signature up and running without much fuss. It's perfect for those who prefer their signature to be readable and professional. Next up, let's turn our attention to the Draw function. This is where you can freehand your signature using a mouse or a touchpad. It's perfect for those who want that personal touch and a more natural flow that truly represents how you sign on paper. It might take a couple of tries to get it just right, but having your unique signature in electronic form is certainly worth the effort. If you have a pre-made signature file, you can use the Upload option. This allows you to import an image of your signature into the system. Make sure the file is clear and cropped properly for the best results. This method provides a high degree of personalization because you're essentially transforming your own handwriting into a digital format. Once you've chosen the method and completed your signature, don't forget to click OK. This saves all your preferences and updates your profile with your newly created e-signature. It's a satisfying moment when everything comes together, and you're now ready to sign documents electronically with ease. And there you have it. You've successfully created your e-signature on Zoho Sign. This digital badge of authenticity is not only efficient, but also adds a layer of professionalism to your digital documents. Thanks for tuning in, and happy signing!